to the syntax part here. Let us coming to the syntax part. Symmetric difference of I'm going to take set obj1 dot symmetric difference. Do you know what is happening? Set obj1 dot symmetric difference of s2. Listen, it removes common elements from both. This one, common elements will be removed. Common elements will be removed. Common elements will not be taken into consideration. Take the elements from s set ob, remaining elements of set obj1, remaining elements of set obj2, collectively taken and put it into set obj3. Remove the symmetric difference function, removes the common elements from both the objects, and the remaining elements from both set obj1 and set obj2 will be taken and put it into set obj3. Fine. See this now. Go to the example first. If you want to see example, you can happily see. This is called S1. This is called S2. S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric difference of S2. What are the common elements? I told already. Once again, I will take up this 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Symmetric difference, I mean, I'm writing just a function name. And I wrote 30, 40, 30, 40, and then 50, 60. 50, 60. This is the data what we have. 30, 40 removed. 30, 40 removed. What are the elements are here? 10, 20, and then 50, 60. These are remaining elements from both the places. It will be taken. What is that? Exclusively the elements present in that you will get it. 10, 20, and then 50, and then 60. You will get it. You will get it. That is present into where? Yes, 3. Yes, 3. Now print of yes, 3. Yes, 3. See that 10, 20, and then 50, 60. 10, 20, 50, 60. Remaining elements, I got it. Remaining elements, I got it. So symmetric difference. You can say even in other way also. S2 dot symmetric difference of S1, which is as good as same answer, same answer is coming. Union also will be, I can apply like that. Now coming to that example part, I can write it. Examples I will show you. Now see carefully. Here you are having S1 dot difference of this, symmetric difference of this function. We got it. See students, here I'm going to write it. This function removes the common elements from set obj1 and set obj2, removes the common elements from set obj1 and set obj2, and takes the remaining elements from both set obj1 and set obj2. Set obj1 and takes all the remaining elements, from set obj1 and set obj2 and place them in where? Set obj3. Examples are taken like this. Examples are taken like that. So coming to the point back, this is called what? This is called a scenario like what? Symmetric difference function is here. This is called a numerical scenarios. Now I will take a use case related explanation. I will give you this use case related explanation. I will take it. This use case related explanation. So I'm going to talk about some predefined functions here. Now use case related example, I will take it. So problem solving scenario, I will go for it. So solving procedure. So I'm going to give you the solving procedure. How to solve this procedure? Let us consider. So CP, this is called cricket players. I will take it as it is. Go to your Python environment. Now see that students, here you see, now I'm taking CP, I will take it. CP, I will take it. Or cricket, I will take it. Cricket is equal to, okay. Now tennis is equal to, tennis also I will take it. Tennis players also I will take it. And read the question and then try to implement it. Tennis. So space is not allowed now. Right. Like this I am taking. Tennis. This is called a tennis. Print. Cricket. And next tennis. This is the values we are taking. See, by discussing all these things, you are getting the deep knowledge. Provided those who are practicing daily. Those who are not practicing daily, no, even if I discuss even any number of days, there is no use of it. So coming to the point of it. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to give you the question. First question you see, all of you, find all the players who are playing either cricket or tennis or all. I want all the players who are going to the tournament. All means what I should apply. Come on, first question I'm going to give you. The answer for the first question is what? Answer I'm going to give you. What is the answer here? Tell me. Total, all players, play. Players is equal to, how do you apply? Cricket is called one set union, not a union of what? Tennis. Union of what? Same, tennis. So you are going to get it. Print all players. I'm going to take all players. Okay, what happens, ma? All, spelling mistake, huh? All players. So you are getting all players. You are getting the data here. What happens, ma? Something happens. 1 minute. Cricket. Okay, tennis. So cricket you print it, tennis you print it. All players. PLAYERS. Okay. Now print of all players. I will take this variable and I will try to paste it. Print all players. Now you are getting all the players information. I hope that you are getting this information here. I hope that this is an answer for this. I hope you are getting this explanation well. So are you following, students? The cricket players are this one, tennis players are these people are here, tennis player, all players are coming like this, and then all players information you are printing like this. I hope you are understanding. My dear students, question to answer, because any such questions are coming, you must be able to answer this question. Yes, ma, I can leave this question to you, but all the people should do it now. That's why I have to do it. I have to do it. So I can leave this. See, even I will prefer to give you, but if anybody is not able to do, because first time I'm giving this type of question, so I have to do it. If some of the people are, if I give anything as homework, only 60% will do the homework, 40% cannot do. Because of various reasons, they can't able to do it. So I have to go for compulsory important things I have to take care. Okay, students, let us take that. Okay, cricket, tennis, maybe one day later, because I have to give everything to you. Now I'm taking both games. So that is nothing but what? Both players, both players. I'm giving both the players. That is nothing but I'm applying what here? Intersection I need to apply. Intersection I need to apply of tennis. Print off both the players I'm going to give you. Both the players. I need to give you both the players here. So coming to the point of it, what are the both the players we have? Rohit is an answer. This is the answer for second kind of thing. Second kind of thing is this. So you got this information and the tennis information and intersection you are applying, both the players information you are getting. This is related to the second one. This is related to the second one. Third one is very, very simple. Come on, only cricket I want, but not tennis. But not means immediately difference only. But not means immediately difference. Okay, which difference? Cricket minus tennis. Cricket minus tennis I need to apply. So what is the answer here? You apply it. What is the answer I'm going to give you? Clarity is very, very simple. Let us go to this. Say cricket here. Now tennis here. Print the cricket, print the tennis. Now say that only cricket is equal to cricket dot difference of tennis. So see that difference, cricket minus difference. Common players will be removed from both the places. Remaining elements of cricket will be kept into only cricket. See that print. I will say only cricket. This data I will go for taking here. This data I will go for placing here. So see the data, we are having this type of information. So this is about this part, and other things also dead easy for you. This is the information we got it. So only these players we got this information like this. So finally we got find the players who are playing only cricket. Next, question number 4. I want to take question number 4. What is the question number 4? See the question number 4. Let me go to the question number 4. Easy. And I told already this part. And see that tennis, of course, write like this. And only tennis I will take it. Only tennis is equal to, say here, tennis minus. What is this? Cricket. So like this, I'm going to take print off, only tennis I will take it. Here I'm giving only tennis. So I got it, Sindhu and then these people. So this is called only tennis. So this type of things, you must be able to understand me and you must answer this. So let us paste this part here. Cricket, I got this results here. Only tennis, I got it. Only tennis, I got like this. This is about like this. Fine. Next, last and final, exclusively playing. Only separate games. Exclusive people I want. So for that, I need to go for this information. I need to go for this type of information I want. Find all the players who are exclusively playing cricket or tennis. That's it. Answer I am going to apply. What is the answer here? Just apply this. Symmetric difference I need to apply. Symmetric difference. Take it. Last and final. Print this. I want to take exclusive people. Yes. So exclusively. Right. So tennis, I say CP, cricket, CRITEN. Cricket and tennis. Cricket, I'm taking. What is it? Cricket, CRI. Cricket dot symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference of what? Tennis I'm taking. See that now? I got it. Okay. Print of CRITEN. See that now? I got it. Rohit is a common person. He is not getting. So if you want to, you can apply. Another way also, you can write like this also. Tennis, you can write tennis as well as cricket, you can write it. Cricket, you can write it. Cricket. You can write like this. You'll get the same answer here. There is no problem at all. So this is called the last part of it. See students, here we are going to get, and this is the one we are going to get it. So this is the one we are going to get it. So there's either this way you can go for it or this way you can go for it. This I can write it or. This I can write it or. This is called what? Operations. My dear students, of course, in one of the company recently, of course, it's a part of my class because of my student is proudly selected. And I can say, you heard about the company called PayPal, maybe heard about the company called PayPal. It's one of the product-based company. There this question was asked, but not with these operations called sets. They asked about solve the same program by using operators. Look at that. Use case solving. You see students, use case solving. beautiful things, use case solving with what? Bitwise operators. Generally, of course, I'm not saying proud of my class. Most of the people are not knowing bitwise operators, including you also. Bitwise operators are available. Have you heard about bitwise operators? Have you heard about bitwise operators? Heard about it? Yes? Fine. I will explain the operators in the class. You heard about it, but you don't know the real-time implementation of these bitwise operators. Am I correct? Bitwise operators are double greater than, double less than. Just look at my double less than, or operator, or not or. Please take care of your words. This one, and the next is called what? See the symbols, not and all. Symbols I want. And is wrong answer, or is wrong answer. This is the symbols you need to take it. Next is called this one, next is called this one, next is called this one. Bitwise right shift operator, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise or operator, bitwise and operator, bitwise complement operator, bitwise XOR. Solve by using bitwise or operator. Yes, generally most of the people are not aware of this. Let it be, no problem. I will do it by using bitwise operators. Quickly, I will do it. Question number 1, because if I don't address this kind of thing, you will be the sufferers tomorrow when you go. That's why deep discussion is required in the class. Deep discussion is required. So without telling also, I can complete my course like anything. I will wash out my hands. But if I discuss more and more perfectly, you will be the number 1 in the industry. So let us see this now. Cricket. Next is called tennis. Now I'm going to take it. All of you carefully understand. I will take all players. See that, students? I will say cricket. See, cricket. Bitwise or operator I'm applying. What is bitwise operator? I will explain. Don't worry right now. See, Pooja, or operator wrong. I told already. It is the wrong I said. Or operator wrong I said. This one is the or operator. Or operator we have separately. There is a logical or operator is there. That's what I'm saying. Nowadays, of course, you don't feel it, because even if you feel also, nothing is going to come out of it. When we don't know the operators, we have to learn in detail. There is a or operator is there. There is a like this. Both of them are there. So if you say or, that is a confusion and ambiguity will come. That's why you must carefully concentrate. At this point of time, I'm using, but you don't worry about it. I will explain the real-time implementation of bitwise operators I'm using, which are most useful in set operations. See, my dear students. What is it? Question, spelling mistake, ma. 1 minute, cricket. Here you said TENNIS, TENNIS. Okay, small t. Okay, small t. Yeah. Now print of. See, my dear student, print of all players. See that you are getting the union operation. Observe it carefully. Union operation. They answered the question. Solve this problem with the bitwise operators. They asked. Okay, all. Next is called what? Both players is equal to. What is that? Cricket. CRI. Cricket, what is this? Bitwise and operator, tennis. You see, print of what? Both players. I'm going to give you. See that both the players is called what operator I applied? Earlier I applied intersection operator. Now I'm using this one. See how simple it is. Only cricket I am applying is equal to cricket minus I am using. This is called arithmetic operator minus I am using. And the next is called what you know? Tennis I am applying. You print of only cricket. You see Sachin and Kohli. You see that next one is called only tennis, my dear students. See, change that symbol, only tennis. You say tennis minus cricket. See that only tennis you say. So I'm writing here only tennis. You got it? Now last and final I want to say. What is that? Cricket, CRI, TEN is equal to, what is this now? Tennis and symmetric difference. Bitwise XOR, the symbol you see. Now this is called cricket. I set and print CRI, cricket and tennis. See, beautiful. This is the subject. Of it. Where is the spelling mistake, ma? Where is the spelling mistake, my dear student? Then come on to the point of it. Here I'm going to give you the clarity. Clarity here. This is called answer for what? Question number 1. This is the answer for what? Question number 1. This is the answer for ANS for question number 1. This is an answer for question number 1. Right? Question number 2. This is an answer for question number 2. I'm saying that answer for question number 2. Both the players. I'm getting both the players. Next, this is an answer for what? Tennis. This is an answer for what? Answer for question number 3. I got the answer here like this. Next I'm getting the one more kind of thing. Answer for question number 4. Here, answer for question number 4. Next, only this is called tennis. Now this is called question number 5. Answer for question number 5. Which operators? Right. This is, I told already, my dear student, this is called minus, arithmetic minus, I told. Right. Yes, ma, tamanna. I told ma beginning, everything I will explain if you concentrate. Arithmetic minus operator, I told. Arithmetic minus operator, I told. Okay, this is the related to this. Are you understanding, students? Is it understandable? See, use case diagram with bitwise operator, solving of use case. Are you getting confidence on this subject? Are you getting confidence on this area, my dear students? Right. So, are you feeling delay of the class? Do you feel the delay of the class? Suppose if I don't discuss everything, definitely it will become, you will lose the subject. So we have to go for definitely deep discussion of the subject. If anybody feel that delay, you can happily go to another place, another thing you can look into the alternative. So, but we need to go for getting the job compulsory once we go for discussing that. So yes, that's what, ma. Yeah, thank you. So one student said that delay the class means they said yes, he said yes. One student said that yes, he said delay. So that I can't do anything else for that student. So I don't want to just complete the subject. I want to complete the subject where you can get the job. Right? I don't mind. Yesterday only I can say set is over. I can say with this. Right? This is the one I can say which is covered. Yesterday only I would have been saying that it is over, but I don't want. Right? So this is the set. Now it is saying that it is a set is completed. Now this is set is completed. Yeah. So coming to the point of it. Fine. So next data type we are going to deal with it. What is the next data type, my dear students? Set category data type. This is the complete discussion of the set data type. So coming to the point of it, what is the data type now? Frozen set, I will go for it. Frozen set, I'm going to explain the session now. Frozen set. So coming to the next data type is called what? Frozen set, I'm going to explain. Next data type is called frozen set. It is very easy, students. Now I can say the functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to, this is completed within 2 minutes. See, my dear students, all of you, the functionality of frozen set, the functionality of frozen set is similar to frozen set. See, students, tomorrow class the data types will complete. Okay. After that, we are entering into the further discussion because data type is the biggest topic. I know the importance of data types in real time. That's why we must know that. The functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to the functionality of what? Set. The functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to set, whereas but an object of what? But an object of set belongs to both mutable and immutable. The functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to set. Functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to the functionality of what? Set. But an object of set belongs to both mutable and immutable, and whereas an object of frozen set belongs to what? Immutable only. Everything is same to same. I hope you are understanding what I'm talking. So here, whatever the properties I set for set, same properties will come here also. Right? But only thing is, it is an immutable. So, and one more thing is, there is no symbolic notation. I will just mention it. I'll copy this information and I will copy this information and I will show you this. Let us coming to this point here. Frozen set is one of the predefined class. See, students, carefully. Frozen set is one of the predefined class. Treated as which category? Set category. The purpose of frozen set data type is to store same to same. Right? We don't have any symbolic notation for storing the frozen set values. We don't have the symbolic notation for storing the elements. I will write it. We don't have any symbolic notation for storing the elements in frozen set. We don't have any symbolic notation for storing the elements in frozen set. Whereas, but I can write, but we can convert any collection type. That is not, we can convert a tuple, list, set type elements to frozen set by using frozen set of function. Frozen set of function we can use it. What is that function syntax, sir? Frozen set object is equal to, I can write it, my dear students, frozen set of, see, my dear students, what is this is now? What is the bracket elements now? All of you should understand me carefully. What is this is called? Inside, what is this elements called? Come on, everybody. What is this called? Set. You can also say it as, like this also. Or you can say like this also. What elements these are? Which elements these are? Come on, list. I can also say this as which elements these are? Which elements these are? Quickly. Couple. I can convert into that. I can say or. I can say or now. I can say or and or now. I can say or. I can convert all these elements like this. Now, as usual, an object of frozen set never maintains insertion order. An object of frozen set never maintains insertion order. In other words, whatever the elements we are organizing in the frozen set object, those elements displayed in any order because of its many possibilities. Same thing, an object of frozen set, see students, an object of frozen set, on the object of frozen set, we can't perform indexing and slicing, everything we cannot maintain. Now I'm writing an object of frozen set, an object of what set? Frozen set belongs to immutable. Why? Because frozen set object does not support item assignment. Frozen set belongs to immutable purely because it doesn't allow any item assignment. This is the scenario of what? This kind of thing. Example part tomorrow I will cover. Tomorrow class I will give you the example because the time is up. People are going to the because maybe feeling hungry or something. Tomorrow class I will cover the example part. Right now don't worry about the example. Tomorrow class I will cover the examples. Examples I will give you tomorrow. Okay. With the tomorrow our data types will be getting over. That time we are going to see what will be the example. Predefined functions. Dictionary also I will introduce it tomorrow. So coming to Nasir, file handling will be there in our class. It takes a lot of time to come to that place. It takes a lot of time. Right? It takes a lot of time to take into the part of it. So unless and until I introduce the offline classes, online class only will be continued. Unless and until I introduce the offline class only will be continued. I will intimate when the offline class is there. 1 week before I will introduce.